Hi. Now that we have seen how to use int and floats with C programming and how to print them onto the screen, in this video we will try to understand how you can accept the input from the user on C programming. So let's try and see how we can accept a particular number, let's say integer, from user. So I have defined these three integers over here, int a, b and c, and I am going to perform an addition of them just like before. But instead of specifying those numbers directly over here in the program, I want the user to input those numbers. Now, how will user input those numbers? Let's see. So if I want the value of a, so what I'll do is I'll first of all write a statement. Not mandatory, but if you write it, your program will look readable or become a little bit understandable. So enter a number or enter value of a equal to. And on the next line, you will write down Scanf. What you are trying to accept is open close bracket and the double quotes and the specifier of what kind of number you are trying to accept. So I'm trying to accept int. So I'll write here %d, comma. This ampersand symbol has to be there, a. This ampersand symbol mentions that you want to save this value that you are receiving into a, or what we specify here is the address of a. How ampersand a is address of a, we will discuss that later on. There is a separate chapter on pointers. We will understand that later on. For now, just understand that when you write this line, then a consists of the value that you have entered. Want to give it a try? Let's print it immediately. Printf. I'll give /n, 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 just additional new lines. You have entered value of a is equal to %d. Here we are printing that value. So here I don't want to print the address of a, I want to print the a itself. Just write a, not ampersand. Try it. Undefined reference to print c. Everyone makes this mistake, so it has to be print f. Enter value of a. So 987 for example, and hit enter. You have entered value of a equal to 987. Getting it? Now that we have understood how to accept an integer, let's try to accept another integer also. This time let us accept b. I'll give a new line here. See, if you don't give new line, then immediately after that a value, this data will be shown. Try it out at your end. So let me enter the value of b, then c is equal to a plus b, and then printf % or new line %d plus %d equal to %d, a comma b comma c. That's how you accept a number from the user and try to perform some operation onto it. Let's build and run. Enter value of a 56, b 24. The result is wrong. Something gone wrong. So the value of b is not stored correctly. Why? Let's see. The reason is very simple. You can understand that. We wanted to store the value of b here. So I forgot to write b. I just copy pasted, but I forgot to write b. Now try to understand. I'm on purpose doing these mistakes and errors because you have to understand that these things will happen in your program, and all you have to do is just check it against the program or the final code that you have in your download section. So let's run it again. 54, 21. And this time the answer is correct. I hope this would clarify the input concepts with you. Anytime you have to accept a number, you will use the same format to do that. Thank you for watching this video. Try it out at your end, and in the next program, we'll try to see what are all the different operations that we can do with C programming. Thank you.